I'm about to show you how to make an easy, beginner-friendly DIY stool with just one 2x4. Let's get into it. Our first step, as always, is putting them safety glasses on. Now, we're gonna measure out. We're gonna make our legs 12 inches. It's gonna be a small stool. Speed square. And by the way, this is only cost, this 2x4 right here was $5, so a little $5 stool. Let's head to the miter saw. About to cut this bad boy. Alright guys, so now that we made our first cut, like I said, we need 4 legs. So what we're going to do is use that as our template. Get it nice and flush. Make a mark on your other side. And then continue to cut all 4 legs out. So now that we got our 4 legs nice and cut out to 12 inches, we're going to make our top pieces for it. We're going to do 14 inches on those. So we're going to do 14. And go over here and make some cuts. Alright guys, so now that we got our 4 legs, our 3 top pieces, we need something to put these together. So what we're going to do is, we're going to do for the legs, we're going to do a piece at 4 inches. And we're going to need 2 of them. Just going to go ahead and head over to the miter and cut those out. Alright guys, so now that we got our 2 little pieces that's going to put our legs together, we need something to go across this. Our leftover piece is almost perfect, but we're going to go ahead and cut it down to 10 inches. Like I said, this is such a, oh that's 10 and a half, I'm tripping. But this is such an easy DIY for any beginner. Like I said, it only costs $5 to build. It'd be perfect for like a little kid stool or a step stool, something like that. I'm going to go over there and cut this little piece out, and it's going to be time to assemble it. Alright guys, so now that we got everything cut out, we're going to take our 4-inch piece, 2 of our legs, get 2 of our legs sitting there matched up. Right here. Drill you a pilot hole. Just like so. I'm going to go ahead and sink this screw before I do my other pilot holes. Just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and go through and do our pilot holes on this. Alright guys, so we got one side of the legs done. We're going to move on over to this side and do the exact same thing. Go over pilot holes, screws. Then we'll be ready to do the top. Alright guys, so now we got our 2 legs done. Now we're going to put on the top. Same thing, get you a pilot hole. Go ahead and send that first one in. Just like that. And then go around and do all the pilot holes on the screws. Alright guys, so now we got our legs and our top built. So now what we're going to do is what I did is I put the legs on here like this and went around and measured to make sure everything was good. So what we were doing, we got 1 3/4 inches from here to here, same thing on this side. And then we also got 1.5 inches from this line to the edge. We just marked that right there to know where our legs are going to be. So now the next step is going to be to flip this over and do some countersink holes for our screws and put the legs on. So we're going to do that to the opposite side, mark that right there, and start getting our countersink holes and then our pilot holes and start putting in screws. Alright guys, so we got our little marks right here to where we need to put a countersink hole in our pilot holes. All I did was measure 2 1/4 inches to put our marks, because if you see here in the back, 2 1/4 inches would be right in the middle. So we'll go ahead and do our pilot holes all the way around, or countersink, I'm sorry. Alright guys, now we're going to do the pilot holes. Now, we'll turn our drill down, grab our screw bit, bit's been giving us trouble, man. Alright, put our screws in. Tighten them down all the way yet. There we go. Now we're going to line up our other side using our markings down here, and we'll be back when it's ready to do the pre-holes. Screw time. Let's do it. There she is. That right there is a nice, simple, easy bench. Like I said, step stool. Y'all already know she's sturdy. I mean, I guess I'm gonna have to show you. Oh yeah, nice wide seat, you know what I'm saying? She's sturdy, 100%. Right here, $5 little step stool. Like I said, you got a chap, got a little toddler, and a little timeout chair or something. Might be perfect. Or you just need a little something to get up on something. You know what I'm saying? Reach something up there. It's perfect. Like I said, obviously, you can go back and do a nice stain to it, sand it up real nice. We kind of messed up here. I meant to turn it the other way. But like I said, you can stain it, paint it, do whatever you want. But yeah, for $5, one board, get you a pretty nice looking stool. But we appreciate everybody coming back, watching these videos. Happy New Year to you. This is going to be the last video of the year right here. Thank you everybody hitting that sub button. We got a giveaway at 1,000 subs. Then we're going to give away a bottle opener, one of our ring toss games, maybe a little Howard product, and I had one more. I forget what it was though. Oh, our new merch we about to launch. So I'm going to put in like a little cup right there, a nice little tumbler. It's going to be Kevin's Woodworking and She's Sturdy on the side. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the design too. And we're going to make a bunch of them. Hopefully have a website on the YouTube soon. But we appreciate everybody coming in. You like this video, check out the last one. All of them good. We'll catch you in the next one. Turn on that post notifications. We'll catch you. Peace. All right, guys, so I wanted to give you a little bonus clip. We did go back and burn the stool. I think it looks really good now. Like I said, I think this is a great beginner build right here. And I think you could probably honestly sell them for 25, 30 bucks. I'm going to try to sell a few and make a few. And I'll let y'all know how it goes. Also, shout out to Howard. We appreciate you. If you guys haven't tried Howard products out, definitely go try them. They work like a beauty. As you can tell, it put a great finish on the top here. We haven't done the legs yet, but it's got a nice finish on the top and on the sides here and everything. But yeah, go try this build out. Let me know in the comments how you like it and what you want to see next. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Enough.